Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to use text to speech in CapCut on PC. Whether you are making a YouTube video, a TikTok or a school project, this built-in voiceover tool makes things super easy. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Here you can see on my screen, I have opened my CapCut software and click on new project to start editing. Now drag and drop your video or image into the timeline or click import to select media from your computer. Now here you can see the options: media, audio, text, stickers, effect, transition, caption, filters and more options. So now I next look at the left sidebar menu and click on text here, then click to add text and type in the sentence you want to convert to speech. For example, welcome to my channel. Here you can see this. I have write down welcome to my channel and you will see the text appear on your video preview. Then now for the cool part, text to speech, click to select the text box. Here you can see. Then on the right hand panel, find and click text to speech. Here you can see the text to speech option. Then click this and a window will pop up showing a list of voice. You can choose male or female voice and there are different styles like narrator, lively and deep and more. Pick one you like and click generate. And CapCut will create a voiceover and automatically add it to your timeline under your video.
Welcome to my channel.
So I just
Welcome to my channel.
now I can create the generate speech. Here it take us some times. Now you can see the voice generating and play this.
Welcome to my channel.
Once your voiceover is added, you can drag it too much and your video timing. You can also trim it. Then even adjust volume or added background music. Just treat it like any regular audio file. If the trimming doesn't feel right, go back and edit your text or regenerate the speech with a different voice. Now you can delete the text, write down and delete the text, and here you can see the only voice is here. So now you can play this.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
So want to do multiple voiceover, just repeat the steps and more text box, convert them to speech and line up them up in the timeline. This is perfect for narration, instruction or even comedy sketch. And that's how you use text to speech in CapCut on PC, quick and easy. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel.